Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Virgos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Virgos. So, these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, Virgos. If you want more clarity, Virgos, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance, guys. So, let's see what are these cards first. We have Two of Water, Ace of Fire, Eight of Fire. So, with these cards in your circumstances, guys, Virgos, it may be in your career situation or it may be in your relationship. So, you feel really inspired, confident about certain things. Maybe in your work, you know what you need to do, and you are a very experienced person, and that may be the reason you are making some important decisions for yourself. You are moving forward in your life, in your career, pursuing the big dreams that you have for yourself. You want to achieve certain things for yourself. So all those aspirations and goals, you are working towards that, guys. And you have confidence, and you are a person with a strong willpower, determined, headstrong you are to embark on this new journey. So maybe in your work, you are making some changes, some essential changes that you need to do to achieve success, or in your life, you are making some changes, maybe emotionally and physically, trying to be the best today, guys, Virgos. And you are really cheerful and confident about the way things are going in your life today. And your situation is gaining momentum, guys. So you see great changes coming in your life. So just like you feel really cheerful to take up some new path, you may see it as a lucky coincidences. There may be some opportunities coming towards you, and with this person you love, even in this relationship, guys, you are moving towards a better understanding, clarity. You both love each other, and you want this relationship to work, and you have a beautiful, positive relationship. Mutual love and respect is there in this connection, and it is a good, meaningful connection you have with this person, guys. So you have a very good understanding with each other, and things are really harmonious between you both. And for some of you guys, it is a soul connection, that heart to heart connection you have with them. So that is the level of understanding you have with this person, Virgos. So things are going in a positive way for you in your relationship, guys. You are feeling really happy and confident. So for your relationship, we picked one card. It is Two of Air. So with this card, guys, maybe if you are making some important choices, maybe you're thinking of marriage or commitment, you must take time, guys. This may not be the right time. So that is what I see with this card, guys, with this card specific to your relationship. So this is the time for you to think with clarity, maybe, and give it time. Maybe give this relationship time to sink in, and maybe things will be even much more better than you expected, but you must give it time to grow and reach its full potential. So this is not the time to make some important decisions. You need to hold on, guys. Wait for the right time. So for your career situation, we picked one card and it is Four of Water. So with this card, there may be some opportunities coming your way, guys, but you need to see where things are going. Maybe at the right time, at that divine appropriate time, things will happen, things will unfold as it should. So today you may lack some clarity in certain things. Maybe in your work there may be some opportunities coming your way, but you need to wait, hold on if you are not clear about your choices, guys, Virgos. So that is the reading for you all today, Virgos. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the Pick a Card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds and open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, the first card, we have a beautiful card, Let Love Transform. So with this card, guys, the energy is that in your circumstances today, in your relationship, maybe if you are already in a connection, this love is going to change you and you are going to move into a deeper, more intimate connection with this person, and you are really blessed and it is a blessing coming towards you for your relationship, guys. So things are going to go in such a way, it may look like a gift, something which you never expected in your circumstances, guys. And also for those who are single, you will find someone you love, and this person and yourself, you are going to have a very positive, meaningful connection. And maybe you if you are already in a connection or if you are finding someone new, it is all going to happen at the right time, guys. So maybe something may not fulfill your expectation, may not stick to the timeline you expect, but things are happening and there are positive changes in this relationship or some good things coming towards you, but it may not be a moment earlier or a moment later, but at the right time. So at the divine appropriate timing, this love will find you and you are simply going to be so happy and pleased. So you need not worry, guys. You need not have anxiety or any kind of worry thinking about what is happening in this relationship, whether it will be the one you expect, whether it will be the one that pleases you. So you need not worry about all that. So at the divine appropriate timing, this love is finding you, guys. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, guys, that is the reading. So I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, the second card, we have Black tourmaline. So it is a crystal spirits card, guys. So with this card, it just means that in any relationship, guys, if you want to be in a very positive connection, you must have your own boundaries. So the time you need to be free, the time you need to be with yourself to do what you love to do. So this card is for shielding and protection in any relationship. So maybe with this person you love, you may simply yearn to be with them all the time, guys. So this person may be your soulmate or your twin flame, and you may have a great connection with them, but you need some time away from them, maybe just to realize how much you love them and how much you love when you get back to them. So maybe taking time off from your love with your friends, maybe spending some time with your friends or your family. It's just going to rejuvenate this relationship you both have, and you will know that, but it should be something that is happening naturally, guys. You should not force it. You should not try to forcefully stay away from this person. Maybe if you love to be with them, that is what you should do. But if you want to be with yourself, maybe take some time for yourself, maybe do the things you love to do alone, you should go for it. It is simply going to help you. It is simply going to strengthen this connection you have with this person. It is going to make you more relaxed, and that is the thing that is going to make your relationship more nurturing and fulfilling, and it is going to strengthen this connection you both have, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So you should not be afraid to build healthy boundaries in any relationship. So that is the energy with this card. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.